everyone, this is a bit of a different video today because I'm actually at Western Gardens, which is a place I often go to, apart from I haven't been here for a very long time now. Western Gardens is a nice gardens place which is open to the public, and it's you can pay, I think it's just over £30 membership a year, which gives you free access, and it's got these lovely gardens where you can walk around, and I find it really peaceful and relaxing, and it really helps with my anxiety. Currently I'm doing a walk as I'm filming this. I just showed, as I say, I'm walking, sorry, getting my words confused. Yeah, it's lovely being in the countryside. Yeah, I'm just going for a little walk up the hill, surrounded by sheep. Hello, sheep. Hello. And these really lovely tiny little lambs, and they're so cute. They really are really cute. And they're doing little hops like this, and it makes me want to hop because it makes me feel happy seeing them. And there's no one around. And it's all very peaceful, and all you can hear is barring. Can you hear that on the film? You might be able to hear, if I just be quiet for a moment. Oh, they're so cute. They're so cute. Oh, that one looks like it's just been born. It's a really tiny little lamb over there. I'll just turn the camera around, you might be able to see it. Yeah, it's really lovely up here. And hello, gorgeous. There's some lovely. Hello, oh, you're so cute. Oh, look at you. Turn it round here. Oh, hello. Oh, you probably. You might not be able to see that too clearly. This is experimental filming. I don't normally film walking out and about. I'll be doing a proper video as well. I just really wanted to show you this because this is where I go to unwind, and it's just really relaxing being out in a country. Okay, so I'll finish filming now. I might do another video later on, and I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you.